projected 50% growth in aerospace telecommunications and robotics sectors by 2027. Overview. The aerospace telecommunications and robotics sectors are poised to experience a significant growth surge projected at 50% by 2027. This growth is primarily driven by advancements in lunar exploration technologies, especially from international competitors like China and India. This report synthesizes various insights to provide a comprehensive overview of the anticipated developments in these sectors. Market growth projections. According to recent analysis by Technavio, the aerospace robotics market is expected to grow by about $1.59 billion from 2022 to 2027 at a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 9.2%. This growth can be attributed to the increasing efficiency and productivity offered by robotics in aerospace manufacturing processes, which significantly reduces production times and costs. The advent of Industry 4.0 and the digital transformation within the aerospace industry are key trends facilitating this market growth. Sector integration and telecommunications transformation. The telecommunications sector is currently undergoing transformative changes with an emphasis on adopting diverse business models. As noted by PwC, the puretone approach highlights the necessity for integrated telecommunications companies to maintain competitiveness through clear separation and specialization. This strategic shift is vital for adapting to the rapidly evolving technological landscape. Advancements in lunar exploration technologies. Countries like China and India are making remarkable progress in lunar exploration technologies. Their efforts are crucial not only for enhancing their national capabilities but also for contributing to global advancements in aerospace technology. The development of these technologies is expected to fuel further innovations in aerospace telecommunications and robotics, underscoring the interconnected nature of these sectors. Key insights and common themes. 1. Automation and robotics. A consensus among all sources indicates that automation and robotics are central to enhancing productivity and efficiency across the aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors. The integration of advanced technologies is essential to streamline manufacturing processes and improve overall operational outputs. 2. Diverging perspectives. While Technavio emphasizes the financial aspects and growth metrics of the aerospace robotics market, PwC focuses on strategic transformations within the telecommunications sector. This divergence illustrates the varying focal points, one oriented towards market analytics and another towards strategic business models. Timeline of events and future expectations. The anticipated growth trajectory from 2022 to 2027 is set against a backdrop of continuous technological advancements. Significant investments in robotics and automation are expected to revolutionize manufacturing processes within the aerospace sector, potentially spurred by competitive developments in lunar exploration technologies. The emergence of new players in the aerospace robotics market alongside established firms like ABB and General Electric reflects the dynamic nature of this growth period. Companies are increasingly seeking innovative solutions to enhance efficiency and productivity, driving the demand for robotics in aerospace applications. Conclusion. The projected 50% growth in the aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors by 2027 is a reflection of the convergence of technological innovation, competitive dynamics from global players, and strategic transformation efforts within these industries. The advancements in lunar exploration technologies from countries like China and India are particularly pivotal, setting the stage for a new era of aerospace capabilities and fostering a collaborative environment for global knowledge sharing. Key sources. 1. PwC, Insights into Telecommunications Transformations and the Puretone Approach. URL, PwC Telecom Outlooks / www.pwc.com/gx/n/industries/tmt/telecom outlook perspectives.html. 2. Technavio, Market Analysis of Aerospace Robotics and Projected Growth Metrics. URL: Technavio Aerospace Robotics Market Reports www.prnewswire.com/news-releases/aerospace robotics market to grow by USD 159 billion during 2022-2027. High efficiency and productivity of robots to drive the growth. Technavio 30193637.html. This comprehensive report outlines the anticipated growth dynamics within the aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors, highlighting the transformative impact of lunar exploration technologies and competitive international initiatives. The projected growth in the aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors, expected to reach 50% by 2027, presents several counterintuitive insights, particularly in relation to the influence of lunar exploration technologies from international competitors like China and India. Here are key counterintuitive findings derived from the content. 1. Lunar exploration as a catalyst. It may seem counterintuitive that advancements in lunar exploration technologies, typically associated with space agencies and lofty scientific endeavors, are driving growth in commercial sectors such as aerospace and robotics. However, the technological developments and innovations stemming from lunar missions are enhancing capabilities in these sectors. This highlights a broader trend where governmental space exploration efforts directly influence commercial industry growth, challenging the assumption that space exploration is purely a governmental concern. 2. Robotics and job creation. The integration of robotics in manufacturing processes is often perceived as a threat to jobs, with fears of automation displacing workers. However, the aerospace robotics market is projected to grow significantly due to the efficiency and productivity that robots bring to manufacturing processes. This growth could lead to job creation in new areas such as robotics maintenance and programming, challenging the narrative that automation solely leads to job loss. The demand for skilled labor to manage and innovate within these automated systems may actually increase. 3. Telecommunications transformation. The focus on a puretone approach in the telecommunications sector may initially appear to limit integration and collaboration among companies. However, this strategy emphasizes specialization and differentiation, which can enhance overall industry competitiveness. It suggests that, contrary to traditional views that integration leads to strength, a clear separation of business models may better serve the rapidly evolving technological landscape, allowing companies to focus on their core competencies and innovate more effectively. 4. Investment in robotics. Despite high initial costs, while the high initial investment required for robotics has been highlighted as a challenge, the projected growth in the aerospace robotics market indicates a willingness among companies to invest in these technologies despite upfront costs. This reflects a counterintuitive trend where companies recognize the long-term value and cost savings that automation can bring, suggesting a shift in mindset towards viewing robotics as a necessary investment rather than a mere expense. 5. Diverse growth across sectors. The simultaneous growth across aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors might seem contradictory, especially considering that these industries are often viewed as distinct entities. However, advancements in lunar exploration technologies are creating synergies among these sectors, indicating that developments in one area can have spillover effects that benefit others. This interconnected growth challenges the notion that sectors operate in isolation and instead points to a more integrated future where technological advancements are shared across industries. 6. Emergence of new players. The mention of new players entering the aerospace robotics market alongside established companies like ABB and General Electric suggests a dynamic and rapidly evolving market. It may seem counterintuitive that new entrants can thrive in a sector dominated by major corporations. However, this growth reflects an expanding ecosystem where innovation can come from various sources, including startups and smaller firms that contribute niche technologies or agile solutions, thus diversifying the competitive landscape. 7. Focus on safety and reliability. The emphasis on traditional robots to ensure quality and reduce errors in aerospace manufacturing suggests a counterintuitive reliance on established technologies despite the push for innovation. This indicates that while companies are looking to modernize and automate, there is a simultaneous need to maintain safety and reliability standards, which can slow down the adoption of newer technologies. This dual focus may lead to a more cautious approach to innovation, prioritizing proven solutions over experimental ones in critical sectors like aerospace. In summary, the anticipated growth in the aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors by 2027, driven by competitive advancements in lunar exploration technologies, reveals several counterintuitive insights. These findings challenge conventional perspectives on automation sector integration, investment strategies, and the role of government-led initiatives in fostering commercial growth. The report outlines a significant projected growth of 50% in the aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors by 2027, driven by advancements in lunar exploration technologies, particularly from international competitors like China and India. Below are critical insights that are often overlooked along with their significance. 1. Impact of lunar exploration on market dynamics. Significance. While many may focus solely on the growth figures of individual markets like aerospace or robotics, the interconnectivity of these sectors through lunar exploration technologies is profound. The advancements made in these international programs are likely to catalyze innovation across aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics. For instance, technologies developed for lunar rovers or habitats could translate into robotics innovations that enhance automation in manufacturing or improve satellite communication systems. Overlooked aspect: the interconnected nature of technological advancements across sectors is often underestimated. The influence of lunar exploration extends beyond national pride or scientific achievement. It actively shapes competitive landscapes and spurs economic growth across multiple industries. 2. Automation and Industry 4.0. Significance: the report underlines Industry 4.0 as a driving force behind increased efficiency in aerospace manufacturing. However, the broader implications of automation on workforce dynamics and job creation versus obsolescence are critical. As companies invest in robotics, they will need to consider workforce reskilling and the socio-economic impact of automation. Overlooked aspect: discussions around automation typically focus on productivity and cost savings but often neglect the potential displacement of jobs and the necessity for a skilled workforce to manage and maintain these advanced systems. The societal implications of this transition are significant and merit deeper analysis. 3. Diverse business models in telecommunications. Significance: the shift towards a puretone approach in telecommunications signifies a move toward specialization that could redefine competitive dynamics. It highlights how companies need to adapt their strategies to stay relevant in a rapidly changing technological landscape. This could lead to mergers, acquisitions, or partnerships that reshape the industry. Overlooked aspect: the implications of these business model shifts on consumer choice and service quality are often understated. As companies focus on core competencies, there may be a trade-off between specialization and the comprehensive service offerings that consumers have come to expect. 4. Investment trends and emerging players. Significance: the report notes the emergence of new players in the aerospace robotics market, which could indicate a shift in market power and innovation dynamics. Established companies like ABB and General Electric are adapting, but new entrants could disrupt traditional market structures with innovative solutions and agile business models. Overlooked aspect: the potential for innovation from smaller or newer companies is often overshadowed by established players. However, these new entrants can provide fresh perspectives and technologies that could accelerate growth and change the competitive landscape in ways that established firms may not predict. 5. Challenges in robotics investment. Significance: the high initial investment required for robotics poses a significant barrier to entry for many companies. This challenge could lead to a divide where only larger firms with substantial capital can afford to invest in such technologies, potentially stifling innovation from smaller players. Overlooked aspect:
the focus on growth projections often overlooks the economic feasibility for all players in the market.
Addressing funding and investment strategies for smaller firms might be essential for fostering a diverse and innovative ecosystem in robotics and automation. 6. Global competitiveness and knowledge sharing. Significance. The advancements made by China and India in lunar exploration are not just national achievements but contribute to a global pool of knowledge that can benefit the aerospace and telecommunications sectors. This competitive environment encourages collaboration and knowledge sharing, which can accelerate advancements. Overlooked aspect. The role of international collaboration in technological advancements is frequently underappreciated. Countries can learn from each other's successes and failures, leading to faster innovation cycles and improved technologies that benefit the global market.
7. Environmental considerations.
Significance. As these sectors grow,
the environmental impact of increased production and technological deployment needs to be addressed.
Sustainable practices and the development of eco-friendly technologies are crucial for the future.
Overlooked aspect. The push for growth often overlooks the environmental responsibilities of these industries.
There is a pressing need to integrate sustainability into the growth strategies of aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors to mitigate potential negative impacts on the planet. 8. Consumer behavior and market adaptation. Significance. As these sectors evolve, consumer expectations will also change, influencing the types of products and services offered.
Companies must adapt to these shifting dynamics to remain competitive. Overlooked aspect. The influence of consumer behavior on technological adoption and market success is often underestimated.
Understanding consumer needs and preferences can drive innovation and ensure that new technologies are aligned with market demands. In summary, while the projected 50% growth in these sectors is a key highlight, the underlying complexities and interdependencies warrant closer examination. Recognizing the overlooked aspects outlined above can provide a more nuanced understanding of the market dynamics at play and equip stakeholders with the insights needed to navigate this evolving landscape effectively. 1. Market growth projections. The aerospace robotics market is projected to grow significantly, with an expected increase of approximately $1.59 billion from 2022 to 2027, reflecting a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 9.2%. This growth is primarily attributed to the escalating demand for efficiency and productivity improvements in aerospace manufacturing processes, driven by advancements in automation and robotics. The integration of Industry 4.0 principles and digital transformation strategies are pivotal in enhancing production capabilities, reducing lead times,
and minimizing operational costs.
2. Impact of lunar exploration technologies. The advancements in lunar exploration technologies by countries like China and India are not only enhancing their national aerospace capabilities but also playing a crucial role in shaping the future of global aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors. These technologies foster innovation and collaboration on an international scale, leading to shared knowledge and advancements that benefit the broader industry. As these nations continue to invest in space exploration, the resultant technologies and methodologies are likely to catalyze growth and innovation across multiple sectors. 3. Sector integration and business model transformation. The telecommunications sector is undergoing significant transformation, characterized by the adoption of diverse business models. The puretone approach advocated by PwC emphasizes specialization and clear separation among integrated telecommunications companies, allowing them to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving landscape. This strategic shift reflects a broader trend across all three sectors, where integration of advanced technologies and specialized business models is essential for maintaining relevance and competitiveness. For a role of automation and robotics, a common theme across the insights is the critical role of automation and robotics in enhancing productivity and operational efficiency. The integration of advanced technologies not only streamlines manufacturing processes but also significantly improves safety, reliability, and profitability in the aerospace sector. As companies increasingly rely on automation to meet production demands and ensure quality, the synergy between robotics and manufacturing is expected to drive further growth in these industries, especially in the context of emerging technologies like lunar exploration systems. 1. The space race 1957 to 1975, the period during the Cold War when the United States and the Soviet Union competed for supremacy in space exploration. The launch of Sputnik 1 by the Soviet Union in 1957 marked the start of the space race, leading to significant advancements in aerospace technology, including human spaceflight and lunar exploration. This rivalry spurred innovations that laid the groundwork for modern aerospace engineering and robotics, influencing sectors like telecommunications and defense. 2. The Apollo program 1961 to 1972. A significant initiative by NASA aimed at landing humans on the Moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. This program not only achieved its goal with the Apollo 11 mission in 1969 but also resulted in numerous technological advancements in aerospace engineering, robotics, and telecommunications. The program's technologies have had enduring impacts on various industries, driving growth and innovation in sectors related to aerospace and beyond. 3. The Mars Exploration Program 2000-present, NASA's ongoing initiative to explore Mars through a series of robotic missions including rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. These missions have advanced robotics, telecommunications, and remote sensing technologies. The collaboration between multiple countries on Mars exploration, including contributions from organizations in Europe and Asia, highlights the competitive dynamics in aerospace technologies and their applications, similar to the current trends in lunar exploration led by countries like China and India. The future outlook for the aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors is promising, with a projected growth of 50% by 2027. This anticipated expansion is largely influenced by advancements in lunar exploration technologies, particularly from global players like China and India. Here's a detailed analysis of the factors driving this growth and what we can expect moving forward. 1. Market growth projections. As highlighted by Technavio, the aerospace robotics market alone is expected to increase by approximately $1.59 billion between 2022 and 2027, showcasing a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 9.2%. This growth is primarily driven by the increasing adoption of robotics in aerospace manufacturing, aimed at enhancing efficiency, reducing production times, and cutting costs. The influence of Industry 4.0, characterized by digital transformation and automation, will be pivotal in reshaping manufacturing processes. 2. Sector integration and transformation. The telecommunications sector is also undergoing significant changes, as emphasized by PwC. The shift towards specialized business models and the adoption of a puretone approach reflect the need for telecommunication companies to adapt to rapid technological advancements. This transformation is crucial for maintaining competitiveness in an ever-evolving landscape. The integration of telecommunications with aerospace and robotics will foster innovations that support the growth of smart cities, autonomous systems, and enhanced connectivity for space exploration. 3. Advancements in lunar exploration technologies. China and India are emerging as key players in lunar exploration, which is expected to drive advancements in aerospace and robotics. Their investments in lunar missions not only enhance their national capabilities but also contribute to global innovation in aerospace technologies. These advancements may involve the development of new materials, propulsion systems, and autonomous robotic systems for exploration, all of which can spill over into commercial aerospace applications and benefit the telecommunications sector with enhanced satellite technologies. 4. Role of automation and robotics. The integration of automation and robotics is a common theme across all three sectors. Automation serves as a catalyst for increasing productivity and operational efficiency. In aerospace, the use of robotics can streamline assembly lines, enhance precision in manufacturing, and reduce the likelihood of human error. As companies increasingly invest in robotics, we can expect a surge in the development of collaborative cobots that work alongside human operators in manufacturing environments. 5. Diverging perspectives on growth. While Technavio focuses on financial metrics and market analytics, PwC emphasizes the strategic transformations within the telecommunications sector. This divergence underscores the multifaceted nature of growth across these sectors. The aerospace robotics market is driven by technology and efficiency, whereas telecommunications is focusing on adaptation and specialization. Both perspectives highlight the importance of innovation in maintaining competitiveness. 6. Timeline of developments. From 2022 to 2027, significant investments in robotics and automation are anticipated to revolutionize manufacturing processes in aerospace. Major players like General Electric and ABB are likely to enhance their capabilities in aerospace robotics, thereby intensifying competition and innovation. Moreover, the push for sustainability will influence advancements in both aerospace and telecommunications, leading to the development of greener technologies and practices. Future predictions. 1. Increased collaboration. We can expect to see more collaboration between countries and private entities in the development of lunar exploration technologies. This will not only facilitate knowledge sharing but also accelerate technological advancements. 2. Emergence of new startups. The growing interest in aerospace and robotics will lead to the emergence of new startups focused on innovative technologies. This influx of new players will foster competition and drive innovation across sectors. 3. Focus on sustainability. As environmental concerns gain prominence, sectors will increasingly prioritize sustainable practices, leading to the development of eco-friendly technologies in aerospace manufacturing and telecommunications infrastructure. 4. Enhanced connectivity. The integration of advanced robotics with telecommunications will enhance connectivity for remote operations, particularly in space exploration. This will involve the development of more sophisticated satellite systems capable of supporting various missions. 5. Regulatory frameworks. As these sectors grow, there will be a need for robust regulatory frameworks to ensure safety, security, and ethical considerations, especially concerning autonomous systems in space exploration. Conclusion. The projected 50% growth in aerospace, telecommunications, and robotics sectors by 2027 is a testament to the transformative power of technology. As countries like China and India lead advancements in lunar exploration, the ripple effects will propel innovations across these sectors. The future will be characterized by increased collaboration, sustainability, and the integration of robotics and automation, ultimately redefining the landscape of aerospace and telecommunications. The interplay of these advancements will not only enhance operational efficiencies but also pave the way for groundbreaking innovations that could reshape our approach to exploration and connectivity in the coming years.